Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Mirza Home Decor. The YouTube channel transformed showcasing main double door design in wood typical feature a variety of aesthetically pleasing and functional door style. These videos highlight craftsmanship, material used and intricate design element that can transform the interiors of a home. Key features often include design variety showcasing different styles such as traditional, contemporary, rustic, and modern. Each style is explored with detailed visual of the woodwork, carving, and finishes. Material and finish highlighting various types of wood like oak, mahogany, cherry, and walnut. The video may also discuss finishes like staining and painting, demonstrating how they enhance the wood natural beauty, emphasizing the skill and artistry involved in creating these doors. This include close-ups of hand, cover detail, eyelay, and pattern that add unique character to each door. Functional show practically features such as insulation properties, durability, and security aspect. Videos might include demonstrate of door hardware, look, and hangs, installation and maintenance tips, offering guide on how to properly install door and maintain appearance and functionality over time. This might include cleaning method, repair tips, and advice on protecting the wood from weathering. Customization option discuss how homeowner can personalize their decorative element. Such a video serves as a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to enhance their home interior with elegance and durable wood wooden door double door design. Top 10 stunning wooden door design for on-maintain interests, modern and traditional wooden door for entryway, custom wood double door design for a grand, enhanced, durable and stylish best wooden double door design for your home. The ultimate guide to choosing the perfect wooden door. Top trend in maintain double door wood design for 2024. Wooden double door design have been a symbol of elegance and grandeur for centuries. They not only serves as a maintain enhance but also set the tone for the entire house. The rich texture, natural grain, and warm tone of wood create an inviting and layery atmosphere. In this video, we explore various aspects of wooden double door, including design style and material choice, craftsmanship. Traditional wooden double door design often feature intricate carving, raised panel, and decorative glass insert. These designs draw inspiration from classical art architectural, offering a timeless appeal. Think of grand Victorian or Georgian interests, where every detail speaks of history and elegance. For a more modern touch, contemporary wooden double-door design emphasizes clean line, minimalist design, and geometric pattern. These doors blend seamlessly with modern architecture, providing a sleek and sophisticated looks. Rustic wooden double-door design celebrate beauty and rugged charm. They often incorporate reclaimed wood, visual knocked and distressed finishes. These designs are perfect for country home cabinet and anyone looking to add a touch of natural to their interests. Inspired by the coastal villas of the Mediterranean, these designs feature ornate ironwork, arches top, and rich dark stains. They evoke a sense of old world charm and luxury, making any home feel like a European retreat. Popular wood type oak. Known for the strength and durability, oak is a popular choice for double door. Its pronounced grain pattern adds a distinctive character to the door. Mahogany, valued for its rich color and fine grain, mahogany offered a sophisticated and high-end look. Cherry, with its smooth texture and reddish hue, cherry would create a warm and inviting interest. Walnut, dark and dense, walnut provide a luxury feel with its deep, rich tone. Pine, more affordable and versatility. Pine can be stained or painted to match any design preference. Finishes technique. Stain enhances the natural grain and color of the wood while providing protection. Varnishing add a glory finishes highlighting the wood beauty and offering durability. Painting offer a wide range of color options allowing for more con- customization. Distressing create an antique look by adding character and a weathered appearance. Hand carved detail. One of the most striking features of highlight quality wooden double door design is the hand carved detail. Skilled artisan spread home crafting intricate design from floral motifs to geometric pattern making each door a unique work of art. Joinery technique. The strength and durability of a door depend on the joinery technique used. Traditional methods like mortise and tenon joints ensure a solid and long-lasting construction, this technique not only provides structural integrity but also contribute to the overall aesthetic. In play and decorative element, adding in play such as mother of pearl, brass of contrasting wood can be elevate the design of wooden double door. These decorative elements can create a stunning visual impact, making the door a focal point of the home exterior. Wooden double door designs are excellent insulator, helping to maintain indoor temperature and reduce energy cost. Proper sealing and weather striping further enhance their energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year round. Security feature is very beautiful, is a cultural aspect of any maintained interest. Wooden double door design can be equipped with advanced locking system, reinforced frame and impact resistance glass to provide peace of mind. And the beautiful design. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and for more update, double door. And thanks for watching the video Mirza Home Decor.